Welcome. In today's tutorial, we're going to learn how to disable the desktop site feature on Google Chrome. This is particularly useful when you want to switch back to the mobile version of a website for a better browsing experience. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your Chrome browser on your device. If you haven't already installed Chrome, make sure to download it from your App Store. Once you have it open, navigate to the specific page you want to view in mobile format. Next, look for the three dots located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon opens up a menu with several options. Go ahead and click on it. In the menu that appears, you will see an option labeled Desktop Site. If this option is checked, it means you're currently viewing the desktop version of the site. To disable it, simply uncheck the box next to Desktop Site. Once you've done that, Chrome will refresh the page and switch back to the mobile version automatically. You should notice that the layout changes to fit your device's screen better, making it easier to navigate and read content. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the desktop site feature in Google Chrome. This simple process can help enhance your browsing experience by ensuring that websites display correctly for mobile devices. If you find yourself needing to switch back to the desktop version in the future, just follow these same steps and check the Desktop Site option again. Remember, switching between these modes can greatly improve how you interact with different websites, depending on your needs. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips and tricks on using Google Chrome effectively. Happy browsing!